Hello everyone, namaste and welcome to my channel. I did this very simple everyday look for you today. I hope you like it as much as I do. If you want to see how to achieve this look, please keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. For priming my face, I'm going to go ahead and use Tarte Clean Slate Primer. I'm going to take some of this primer on my fingers and I'm going to go ahead and press it around my nose area. From Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, I'm going to take my Morphe 173, I'm going to take Warm Coral and I'm going to go under my eyes. For my foundation today, I'm going to go ahead and use Urban Decay's All Nighter in the shade 7. I'm also going to take this Mix in Medium from Urban Decay and I'm going to put a couple of drops of this in my foundation. I'm going to start applying my foundation using a beauty blender. By mixing this into your foundation, it gives a natural glow to your skin. For my concealer today, I'm going to go ahead and use Born This Way and I'm in the shade Sand. I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend it out. I'm going to take my concealer from NARS in the shade Custard. And I'm just going to highlight using this. Again, using my beauty blender, I'm going to blend it out. For contouring and highlighting, I'm going to go into my Tarte's Pro Glow palette. From the palette, I'm going to take Shade. I'm going to take my Real Technique sculpting brush. If you would like me to do a video on just contouring and highlighting, leave me a comment below and I'll try to do that video for you. From the same palette, I'm going to go into the shade Sculpt. I'm going to go ahead and set my contour with it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take my translucent powder from Laura Mercier and I'm going to set under my eyes. Before setting my eyes, I'm going to take my beauty blender one more time, make sure there's no creases under my eyes. I'm going to take the powder on my beauty blender and start pressing it in. I'm also going to take it into my smile lines. For my blush today, I'm going to go into the blush palette from Tarte. I'm using a Sonia Kashuk brush. And I'm going to mix in the shade Breathtaking and Genuine. I'm going to take my All Nighter from Urban Decay. Once the spray is almost dry, I'm going to take my beauty blender. By doing this, we're going to take the powder effect away from our face and it's going to look like our skin. For my eyebrows today, I'm going to go ahead and use Benefit Cosmetics Brow Pencil in the shade 4. For my eyes today, I'm going to keep it very simple. I'm going to take the shade Sculpt. And using a Morphe 535, I'm going to go all over my lid with it. I'm going to build this color up a little bit. I'm going to take it in my crease and all over my lid. Next, from the same palette, I'm going to go into the shade Fire. I'm going to take this shade on my finger and I'm going to go all over the lid. Since I didn't use a primer for my eyes, I'm going to take my All Nighter and spray my eyes. I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm going to take the shade Lit and I'm going to take my beauty blender, and before my face dries right here, I'm going to put my highlighter. Same thing on the other side. Take some on my forehead, just over my eyebrows, not all over my forehead, just here. Gives you that nice little sheen, makes it look all natural. I'm gonna take the shade Lit on my finger and I'm gonna just take it under, oops. I'm going to take it under my brow bone. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use this double decker mascara from Butter London. For my lips today, I'm going to go ahead and use this lip liner from Butter London in the shade Sweet Something. I'm going to take my Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Trendsetter. I'm also going to take my MAC lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy. And here's the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I want to say thank you for spending your time with me today, and I will see you next time. Ciao!